Graham's won them over by actually getting even lower than I was. I was sitting in a beach chair, but he's lying on the ground. Yeah, he's even got the Latch, who's much more skittish, finally interacting with him. Spark's been interacting with me for a while, but Latch was definitely a bit worried about it all. Well, apparently laying sprawled out on the floor is the trick. Now that I'm lying on the ground, they're definitely coming up and giving me a good sniff. Well, you've had a good sniff of me now. You're going to come and say hello a bit more? At long last, we have some pooches having a proper shut-eye. Although probably if I get up, that'll wake them up. Finally, a quiet moment together. First time we've seen them actually with each other. Graham's managed to catch one and it's not even trying to squirm away. It's just... So they're certainly still not coming up to us willingly, but then they're not getting upset if you hold them, but probably more freezing.